Hi, this is Ralph from Workholding Systems. All of these are familiar with the Sinker EDM world. So we do wire EDM tooling and we do Sinker EDM tooling. So on the Sinker EDM side, you have your standard holders and we make them in all different sizes. A lot of people use U holders or square holders. Basically, they would hold your graphite, you put it in your chuck, on your machine, you would cut it, and then you go to your EDM and you burn it. Pretty standard in the EDM world. So, and we have a number of different solutions from U-shape to square holders. And now we've even come out with different lines of wider holders. So I know some people that have larger pieces of graphite they want to mount. So we have actually different widths of holders to easily mount your larger graphite. Because in the past with larger graphite, you would have to take your pallet and you would have to skim the bottom of the graphite. Then you would have to drill holes, then tap it, then mount your pallet to it. And then, which was labor intense. And obviously, you know, you have to do things as cost effectively as possible. So on the labor side, it just takes a long time to constantly mount pallets to all of your electrodes. So that's why we thought instead of doing that, why don't we just come out with wider holders? So we have a wider holder line now. There's many different widths, and we also do custom stuff, which I'll get into in a little bit. So stay tuned. So for the wider holders, basically for wider graphite, you pop it in here and these set screws, you just tighten the set screws, boom, and you're cutting. And in minutes you're burning. With the traditional way to drill and tap and screw the pallets, not only it takes a long time to do it initially, to skim the graphite, like I say, tap it and mount the pallets, but then everything you mount, you have to unmount for the next job. So now you have to take all your electrodes, take all the pallets, unmount them all, then clean the pallets, and then get them ready for the next project. But with these, it's pretty cool. The pallets stay on the holder. And so once this pallet's on here, it should be a forever solution. Pop your carbon in, tighten your screws. When you're done, throw it away, pop in your next one, away you go. Just a lot more cost effective, a lot better way to do things. So like I say, we have the smaller ones, when now we have bigger ones, we have square ones, we have all kinds of things. So customer came to us with a problem and a better solution. So sometimes with these pallets, they're a little bit clunky. So when you go to burn stuff, if you have tall walls, let's say, and you have to burn beside them, sometimes the pallet interferes with your geometry. So they were burning a rib track around an entire job, which is common with a lot of things like bins for Walmart and other things like that. Sometimes they have a rib track that goes around them, or sometimes it's like a seal rib where two parts get meshed together. There's a rib that goes around. So pretty common, especially in the injection molding world or whatever. So they needed to get close to the wall. So let's say this was our wall of our geometry and we had a rib coming along the bottom. They needed to get close to the wall and burn the ribs all the way around. So sometimes with the pallets, it gets bulky, or you need long carbons to burn. If your rib is down here, you need long graphite to burn that. So to necessitate this, we figured out a good way with them to burn long rib tracks all along walls. And for them, it was a great solution. So we've come out with these holders. So there's basically they're the same principle, holders, just three different sizes. So there's a shorter one, a medium one, and a longer one. So what that allows them now to do is they can take 1-inch blades of electrode, they can slot it out, mount it with a couple screws and a dowel. So they can mount the electrode here. The dowel locates it like this. The slots locate it this way. And then this face is milled to an exact height from here. So they're all the same height-wise. So that way they don't have to keep checking their height and stuff like that. So what this allows them to do now is you take a piece of carbon, mount it in here, screw it, dowel it, you cut your rib track in it. Now with these holders, now just imagine the same geometry. If your rib is down below, you can come with the machine, come down, and now you can burn your ribs near the tall wall all the way around. So it was just a great solution to save them time, save them carbon. And even here with the way it's dovetailed out, they can actually, these are so accurate, you can unmount your rib carbons and you can put them on the shelf. If that job came back for an engineering change or whatever after the fact, you can actually take the carbon, because there's a dowel in it, put it back in this locating groove, put the screws in, put the dowel in, and you can go back in and touch it up. So now it's still the same easy access to be able to mount and unmount your carbons. As far as the palleting system, they were 3R. So we used the same 3R pallets on the back. So now we made them custom holders, all with 3R pallets on the back for different size ribs. So just a great solution to burn a rib track around all kinds of different avenues without wasting a lot of carbon or wasting a lot of time mounting it. So we come out with some custom stuff. If you guys have any other questions or need other custom solutions, we're happy to help you. We love helping our customers and come up with really cool, creative ideas. So give us a shout, www.rapidholdingsystems.com, and we'll try and help you guys out in your next EDM project. Thanks for your time today.